everyone. In general, many of us faces so many hair problems such as dandruff, hair fall, hair thinning, less volume, itchy scalp, no shine and so many. So for all this problem, I have brought you an Indian traditional age-old hair pack remedy which will help you to solve all these problems. So let's quickly see what all things we need for this hair pack remedy. So these all the ingredients which will be required for making the hair pack. So starting from this, the first is shikakai. Shikakai is the natural cleanser to our hair. It also increases the bounciness, and shikakai does not remove the excess oil from our hair. The second ingredient is Rita. Rita is also a natural cleanser. Beside hair care, Rita powder can also be used for cleansing the skin. I remember when I was a child, my mom used to soak this shikakai and Rita nuts into water overnight, and I used to wash my hair with that water the next day. And it gives me such a volume and shine to my hair. So the next ingredient is brahmi. When this brahmi powder massaged on the scalp, it helps to strengthen the hair roots and which also reduce the hair fall. Regularly using of this brahmi will help in reduce the dandruff. The fourth ingredient is the amla powder. Amla is also known as Indian gooseberry. Amla powder may help in strengthen the hair roots, which in turn may help to reduce the hair fall. Amla can also be used in your skin as a face pack. And regularly using this amla powder will also prevent the graying of your hairs. Fifth ingredient is the hibiscus flower powder. I am using the red 5-petal hibiscus flower. Don't use the other variety because it will not help at all. So this hibiscus flower also helps to stop the hair loss. It prevents the premature graying of hair. It treats dandruff. It also fights against the frizziness, dryness, split ends and so many. Next ingredient is the bhringraj powder. Bhringraj also treats the dandruff and dry scalp. It treats in blandness, prevents hair fall, promotes hair growth, prevents graying of hair, and there are so many other benefits of using Bhringraj. The next ingredient is this methi or fenugreek oil. Fenugreek oil is also used to add the volume and shine to your hair. Last ingredient is the coconut oil. I have done a detailed video reviewing the benefits of the coconut oil. It acts as a natural condition to your hair. So I will be taking all the powder 2 tablespoons in an empty bowl. So as you can see, I have taken all the 6 powders in a bowl. Now I will mix this thoroughly. In this powder, I will be adding 1 tablespoon of this fenugreek oil. At last, I will be adding this coconut oil. Since the coconut oil have solidified, I have taken 1 tablespoon of this coconut oil, microwave it for 20 seconds and change its states to liquid. I will be mixing this oil. And with the help of a water, I will be making a thick paste out of it. Don't add too much of water at a time because then your paste will not become lump free. So as you can see, my paste is ready. The consistency should be thick as henna. So keep this paste overnight and then apply it in the next morning. Wait for 2 hours and wash with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. For cleaning my hair, I will be using this Satanic from Amway. It is the 2-in-1 shampoo plus conditioner. It doesn't have any kind of harmful chemicals which will damage to your hair. And if you are interested to purchase this product, you can leave a comment below, or you can also mail me in my mail ID, which I will be giving below in the description box. I hope this hair pack remedy will help you to solve all your hair problems. If you like this video, please share with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel. And also follow me in my Insta and Facebook account. I will give you the link down in my description. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.